Welcome. There will be a bell at the end of this meditation. Time to relax and become a powerful force for good in this world. Take a deep breath, raising your focus from your tailbone up to your heart. Give a little smile. Let it glow with love and let the breath back out and down again. Take a deep breath, raising your focus from your tail up to your third eye. Let it glow like a lighthouse. Let it back out and down your spine again. One more big breath, raising the focus all the way to your crown. Let it open like a flower to extend your influence further. And breathe out. Another little smile. That feels so good. Use slow, deep breaths now until you're fully relaxed and into an easy rhythm. Rotate your shoulders just to loosen them up. Give a slow little roll of your neck, whatever is comfortable for you. Give a yawn to release the jaw. Gently arch your back. Oh, lovely. Then crunch your stomach forward a little to curve over. And relax. Stretch any other body parts where there might be some tension. That's better. Slow breaths now. And of course a little smile. Draw your focus into the center of your torso. Go deeper, deeper, until you find that one central spot, the little projector of this body hologram. Give gratitude to your little projector for creating a vessel from which you can create. Give love to your little projector. Thank you. Thank you. Your mind is very powerful. What you think about and the emotions you attach to those thoughts make a powerful difference. Any emotions amplify the energy added to the outcome. So when you think of a concept with negative emotions, you add energy to, or you prolong, a negative outcome. And when you think of a concept with positive emotions, you add energy to, or prolong, the positive outcome. Our focus here is to lift you to positive emotions and then radiate that out. Deep breathing. So let's flow the energy out a bit differently this time from your little projector. Ask a request of the universe to send you unlimited, loving light. At a quantum level, there is no need to wait for the message to get out. For the instant you perceived the idea, it was heard. Feel the light starting to flood in through your projector. Fill your torso. Gorgeous, emerald green, sparkling, loving light. Let it flow down through your pelvis, thighs, knees, through your torso, chest, neck, down through your arms, up through your head, and let it burst like a fountain out of your head, for it is never ending. Now you look like a showgirl. Turn up the volume on the flow now. Let it flow even bigger and bigger. That's flowing beautifully now. Breathe deep and smile. How magnificent you are. Look at how much infinite healing love you can offer. You are so very valuable to the collective. Imagine yourself growing larger and larger. Now you're a really big showgirl. No longer standing on the ground. You are next to Gaia. As you grow more magnificent, Gaia looks smaller beside you. Bring her down to the size of a yoga ball or a beach ball, whatever takes your fancy. Now it's very easy to completely surround her with your flowing emerald green, sparkling, healing, loving light. Engulf her in your love. Let it soak right through to the core. We turn our attention to the children, wherever they may be. Give a little smile. As you focus, you can see little bright sparks lighting up wherever the children are. See them all, everyone. Locate them while you allow your positive love to flow. You are their angel in this moment. Lovely. Widen your fountain more and engulf each individual child. What do you wish for them? To be sheltered, nurtured, to be fed nutritious food and clean water, to have the clothes they need, to be surrounded by loving entities, to be able to enjoy wriggling their toes on the earth, the grass, the sand, the water, to delight at a bird singing in a tree, to smell a flower, to laugh and play with others completely safe and free, to have their questions answered, maybe by humans, maybe by nature, to be free to dance and sing however they please, to joyful music, to make friends with animals, insects and fairies, to make friends with other loving children, to live with an open heart, to imagine a world far greater than anything we thought of before, to be awe-inspired by a magnificent sunrise, to lie on the grass and pick out shapes in the clouds, or to pick out patterns in the stars, to snuggle up into soft, warm fabrics and sleep peacefully with easy dreams. To be focused on the present moment, to allow the future to simply arrive and to let the past go. This is what we offer the children. We amplify these concepts of love. We seal our intention with the loving words. And so it is. Now you can start to bring yourself back to your normal-sized body, back on the planet where you are. Allow your green fountain to decrease in size. Now instead of flowing it out, you can simply encircle your own body and give yourself some more of that healing love. How lovely. You can flow it from as long as you want from here. And as you come back to yourself, thank your marvelous body for creating such wonderful vibes for the children of the world. And wriggle your fingers and toes as you find yourself again. Your creation makes a difference to them. Thank you for your contribution.